Welcome to the first video in our series on homeschooling. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, setting up a strong learning environment is key to your child's success. Today, we're diving into 7 killer tips and strategies for busy parents to help you create the perfect homeschooling space. Let's get started. Tip number 1, designate a dedicated learning space. The first step in setting up an effective homeschooling environment is designating a dedicated learning space. It doesn't have to be an entire room. A quiet corner with a desk will do. The key is consistency. A specific space signals to your child that it's time to focus and learn, separating playtime from study time. Make sure this area is free from distractions, well lit, and organized. Tip number 2. Keep supplies handy and organized. As a busy parent, the last thing you need is a chaotic search for supplies during a lesson. Invest in organizers such as bins, shelves, or a rolling cart, where you can neatly store all the essentials like pens, paper, calculators, and textbooks. Keeping supplies within reach minimizes interruptions and keeps your child's attention on their studies. Tip number 3. Establish a daily routine. Children thrive on routine, so establishing a consistent daily schedule is crucial. Set specific times for each subject, with regular breaks to keep your child refreshed and focused. A visual schedule or a whiteboard can help both you and your child stay on track. Remember, the goal is to create a predictable flow to the day, which helps reduce stress and increases productivity. Tip number 4. Incorporate flexible learning areas. While a dedicated desk is important, don't feel confined to one spot. Incorporate flexible learning areas around your home. For example, reading can be done on a cozy couch, science experiments at the kitchen table, and math problems in the backyard. Changing locations can break up the day and keep your child engaged. Tip number 5. Utilize educational technology. Integrating technology can enhance your homeschooling environment. There are countless apps and online resources that make learning interactive and fun. Use educational websites, video tutorials, and interactive games to reinforce what your child is learning. Just ensure that screen time is balanced and doesn't overshadow hands-on activities. Tip number 6. Create a distraction-free zone. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. It's important to minimize these by creating a distraction-free zone during study time. This might mean setting boundaries for screen use, turning off notifications, or having a rule that no toys or non-educational items are allowed in the learning area. This helps maintain focus and maximizes the efficiency of your homeschooling sessions. Tip number 7. Make the space inspiring and personalized. Finally, make the learning environment inspiring and personalized to your child's interests. Use educational posters, motivational quotes, and even your child's artwork to decorate the space. A visually stimulating environment can make learning more enjoyable and encourage creativity. Involving your child in the setup process can also give them a sense of ownership and pride in their learning space. And there you have it. 7 killer tips and strategies to help you set up a strong homeschooling environment for your child. Remember, the key is to create a space that's consistent, organized, and tailored to your child's needs. In our next video, we'll explore how to create a customized learning plan that perfectly suits your child's strengths and areas for growth. Thanks for watching, and happy homeschooling!